We're getting there. Look at this. Hey, this is a perfect time to do a speed test. Look at this straightaway. We're gonna go to level 5, and I'm gonna pedal this baby. 19, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29, 29. All I get is 29 out of it. Maybe it may be governed. But let's bring it on back down. I don't want to die. Woo! Wow. That's like a little rush there, guys. Woo! I like it. We're back down to pedal assist 1. Pedaling, I'm doing about 16 miles an hour. We'll keep it like that. Hey guys, thanks for following along with this little quick speed test. As you can see, man, this is a cheap $585 Actbest bike got up to 30 miles an hour with it with me on there. I'm 6'2", 214 pounds. So don't sleep on these Actbest bikes. Get yours, ride, have fun. Thanks.